We're going to talk about layers in this section. Layers are key in organizing our document because we have different files, perhaps images coming in from other areas, and we're merging them together. Now we're going to open up a file and work with layers. Let's go ahead and go to File, Open, or you could browse your bridge. I'm looking for a specific file. It's called Montage. This file is a Photoshop file. I'm going to go ahead and click on Open and open up that file. I notice that there's several layers. In fact, I'd like to reorder my window so you can see it clear by just clicking on these gray areas on top of the panels of each section. I can sort of compress or flatten those out a little bit so then I can stretch out my layers. In working with layers, you're going to find that perhaps you're going to start adding multiples of layers that you'll want to stretch that window out so you could see all of the layers that you're working with. In this case, I have 4 layers currently. A background layer, which I'll turn on, because without the eyeball on, you cannot see the layer. I have 2 more layers called Lake, and another one called Layer 1, which needs to be renamed. Let's do that now. But before I do, I want to decide if I'm going to keep it. I think I'm going to look at both lakes by turning one on and one off. I see that the lake I just turned off was a pretty good one. The one that's called Layer 1 has a rough, hard edge on the side. If I don't want to keep it at all, I don't think I'll be using it, I could just delete it. Let's go ahead and just drag that file to the trash can and get rid of it now. Now we just have 3 to work with.